Hi students, welcome to L&T. Today we are going to do the exercise 3.3 second question of chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. Question is there, form linear equations the following problems and find their solutions by elimination method. In that first question is that we have sub 5 questions are there in the second question. First question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces by 1. It becomes hard if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So, a fraction has numerator as well as denominator. We can write the numerator as x and denominator as y. Now, adding 1 to the numerator means plus 1. Subtracting 1 from the denominator means y minus 1. Fraction equals 1. This is first equation. Same way, can write the second equation. It becomes half if you only add 1 to the denominator. Fraction is x by y. Add 1 to the denominator, the fraction becomes half. No need to add any number in the numerator. This is second equation. If we simplify these two equations, we get the value of x and y. That way we can write the fraction. So let us start. Let the numerator be x and that of denominator be y. So our fraction equals x by y. According to the given information, according to the given condition, can write according to the given condition. What is the condition here? Add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Add 1 to the numerator, we'll write the equation. Fraction is x by y. Add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. The fraction equals 1. Reduces to 1 means equals 1. And the second equation also we can write. It becomes half if you only add 1 to the denominator. Second equation, fraction is x by y. Add 1 to the denominator. No need to add any number to the numerator. This becomes half. This is second equation. Solving these two equations, we will get the value of x and y. Now cross multiplication. Both the equations. X plus 1 equals y minus 1. You can arrange this. Bring y to this side and plus 1 to the other side. So it becomes x minus y is equal to minus 1. Bring this plus 1 to this side, then becomes minus 1. X minus y equals minus 2. Implies x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is first equation. Now we can simplify the second equation. Cross multiplication. 2 into x, 2x equals y plus 1. Bring y to this side, become minus y. This is second equation. Equals 1. Here we will write second. Now solving first and second equation, we get the value of x and y. Writing the first equation, x minus y is equal to minus 2. First, 2x minus y is equal to 1. That is second equation. See here the coefficient of y equal, so we can subtract. Subtract means change the sign and add. Here minus, this minus become plus, here also minus. Cancelling, will get 1 minus 2. X minus 2x is minus x equals minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Can cancel minus sign from both sides. We get x is equal to 3. Substitute in first equation, this equation. X minus y is equal to minus 2. X is 3. 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus y is equal to, bring 3 to the other side, becomes minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 adding minus 5. Minus y is equal to minus 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5. We got the value of x and y. Now we can write the fraction. What is the fraction? Fraction equals numerator 3, denominator 5. So fraction is 3 by 5. You see, very careful in doing these type of sums. Okay. Now we move on to next question. Second question. I am not going to write the question. I will read the question. Okay. I will explain it in detail. Second question. Age related problem. 5 years ago, Nouri was thrice as old as Sonu. Here we have Nouri and Sonu. 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Nouri's age. Nouri's age is equal to 3 times old of age of Sonu. Nouri's was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, after 10 years, Nouri's age is equal to twice as Sonu, 2 times Sonu. Okay. Now we will write in columns. Nouri and Sonu. Present age. 5 years ago. 10 years later. Present age of Nouri be x and that of Sonu be y. 5 years ago, their ages decreases by 5. So we can write x minus 5, here y minus 5. 10 years later means 10 years increases from the present age. X plus 10, here y plus 10. Now we will write the equation according to the condition. This is second question. Okay. Second. According to the given condition. What is the condition given? 5 years ago, that is Nouri's age. This is 5 years ago Nouri's age equals thrice as old as Sonu. 3 times age of Sonu is y minus 5. This is equation number 1. Now 10 years later, Nouri is twice. After 10 years the age is x plus 10 is equal to 2 times Sonu's age, y plus 10. This is equation number 2. Simplifying, opening the bracket, first it becomes x minus 5 equals 3 into y, 3y, 3 into minus 5 minus 15. Bring 3y to this side and minus 5 to the other side. Their sign changes. X minus 3y equals minus 15 minus 5 becomes plus 5. That is x minus 3y equals minus 15 plus 5. What is the answer? X minus 3y equals minus 10. x minus 3y equals minus 10. This is simplified form of first equation. Now we can simplify the second equation also like this. X plus 10 equals 2 into y, 2y plus 10 into 2, 20. Bring this plus 2y to this side, becomes x minus 2y equals, right, x minus 2y equals 20 minus 10. X minus 2y is equal to 10. Equation number 2. Simplified form of equation 2. Solve 1 and 2. We will get the value of x and y. Like that we get the ages of Noori and Sonu. X minus 3y equals minus 10. First equation. X minus 2y is equal to 10. Second equation. See here the coefficient of x equals, so you can subtract 1 minus 2. Let's change the sign, minus, plus, minus. This get cancelled. Minus 3y plus 2y is minus y equals minus 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 20. Minus y is equal to minus 20. Therefore, y is equal to 20. Substituting in any one of the equations, we will go substitute in 1. Substituting in equation 1. What we get? X minus 3y is equal to x minus 3y. Y is equal to 20. 3 into 20 equals minus 10. X minus 60 equals minus 10. X is equal to minus 10. Bring to this side, become plus 60 equals 50. So we got x as 50, y as 20. What is x? Percentage of Noori. We'll write percentage of Noori equals 50 years, and that of Sonu, percentage of Sonu equals 20 years. Okay, I think you all understood these questions. Let me wind up. We will do the remaining questions in the next class. Okay, bye.